installation of the belt slack detection. We start off by connecting our Y connector to our long sensor cable. The connector is pulled through the middle hole of the carrier. Install the connector onto the carrier with the connection side up. Make sure to connect the cable to the end of the black cable carrier. Push the cable into the cable carrier. We advise to give the cable some slack. Now you can pull the sensor cable through the top hole near the motor. Install the sensor onto the short sensor cable. Then install the sensor onto the carrier and connect the cable to the Y connector. Connect the other end of the sensor cable to the I/O module. Now you can finish connecting the cable to the machine. Install the detection block onto the belt. Make sure the detection block is in front of the sensor and move the sensor if needed. Now you've fully installed the belt slack detection.